Welcome to my channel, where today we're stepping into the future of luxury travel with something truly extraordinary. The Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome that feels like a 7-star hotel on wheels. This is not your ordinary RV. This is a masterpiece of design, innovation, and unmatched comfort. Imagine driving down the open road while surrounded by handcrafted interiors, cutting-edge technology, and amenities that even the finest hotels would envy. Today we'll explore its lavish kitchen, an ultra-comfortable bedroom, a spa-inspired bathroom, and the overall features that make this Mercedes-Benz motorhome a rolling palace. Let's start with the kitchen, the heart of any home. And in this case, it's designed to impress even the most demanding chefs. The kitchen features a full-sized refrigerator, a state-of-the-art induction cooktop, and a smart convection oven that can handle everything from baking to roasting. Premium marble countertops give it a sleek and elegant appearance, while custom cabinetry provides generous storage for all your culinary tools and ingredients. There's even a built-in espresso machine to keep your mornings perfect on the road. With ambient lighting illuminating every corner, this kitchen turns cooking into a 5-star experience wherever your journey takes you. Now, let's move to the bedroom, a true sanctuary of rest and relaxation. The Mercedes-Benz motorhome offers a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress that contours to your body for the ultimate sleep experience. Soft, ambient lighting creates a peaceful mood, while climate control ensures the perfect temperature at all times. The walls are lined with handcrafted wood paneling and leather accents, giving the space a warm, elegant feel. A large smart TV sits elegantly at the foot of the bed, and ample hidden storage keeps your essentials perfectly organized. Automated blackout blinds let you choose between waking up to natural light or enjoying uninterrupted rest. It's a space that feels like a private suite in one of the world's best resorts. The bathroom in this Mercedes-Benz motorhome is where luxury meets innovation. It comes with a spacious rainfall shower, adorned with premium tiles and excellent water pressure to give you that spa-like sensation. Dual vanities with high-end stone countertops and backlit mirrors add to the opulence. Heated floors keep your feet warm on colder mornings, and a heated towel rack ensures a touch of comfort after every shower. Storage is elegantly integrated, keeping your essentials neatly tucked away. The toilet system is advanced and eco-friendly, making it as practical as it is stylish. This is not just a bathroom, it's a wellness retreat on wheels. Overall, the Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome is a triumph of engineering and elegance. From its aerodynamic exterior to its state-of-the-art safety systems and premium finishes, every inch reflects the legacy of Mercedes-Benz craftsmanship. It's built for those who refuse to compromise on luxury while traveling, whether for cross-country adventures or extended stays on the road. Would you step inside this 7-star rolling mansion? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exclusive tours of the world's most luxurious motorhomes.